In this exercise on construction of triangles, we are asked to construct a triangle ABC in which AB is given as 5 centimeters, AC is given as 6 centimeters, and BC is said to be 9 centimeters. We are asked to bisect angle ABC and construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. Then we are asked to mark the point where the lines meet at O. Remember, you need to have a sketch of the problem. Thereafter, you can then construct. So let's sketch it. This is triangle ABC. Let me call this A, B, and C. As the question says, that AB is said to be 5 centimeters. AC is given as 6 centimeters. And BC is said to be 9 centimeters. We are asked to bisect angle ABC, which is this. So we have to bisect this. Okay. Bisect this and construct the perpendicular bisector of BC. This is BC. So we have to bisect BC, meaning to divide this into 2 equal parts. Okay. Bisect it this way. Then mark the point where the 2 lines meet at O. So they are talking about this point. This point is said to be point O, and measure OC. So we have to measure from here to this point, and let me call it point Y. So with this I have done, we now have a picture of what we are to construct. So let's go ahead and construct this. But don't forget, kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook at My Lesson Teacher Maths. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. While I recommend you share the links with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. So let's construct this triangle. So first of all, construct triangle line AB. Pick a point. Call this point A. Then we have AB to be 5 centimeters. You may decide to use your rule to construct 5 centimeters. So let me just do that quickly. This is 0.5 centimeters. Call this point B. This is 5 centimeters. Now we have it that point C is 9 centimeters away from B. So we are going to use our compass to construct that. Why is it that you can't use your ruler as I did for the first example for constructing line AB? Simply because point C should be 6 centimeters away from A and 9 centimeters away from B, of which it will be very difficult for you to determine that other than using your compass. So with the help of a compass, it's going to give you all a range of distances, 9 centimeters away from B and 6 centimeters away from A. So where they intersect gives you that point C. So I'm going to have 9 centimeters. So you extend it. I've gotten 9 centimeters. So with B as center, you construct an arc. Now this gives me a range of distances 9 centimeters away from B. You also do same 6 centimeters away from A. So let me get a radius of 6 centimeters. So this is 6 centimeters. So with A as center, you construct 6 centimeters. So this gives me the 6 centimeters. So therefore, I can now call this point C. You can now join point AC and point BC. You ensure so this is your triangle. This is said to be 9 centimeters and this is 6 centimeters. Now the question says we are to bisect angle B, which is angle ABC. So how do we do that? For us to bisect angle ABC, we choose an arc. I've already showed you how you can bisect an angle. So with B as center and with any suitable arc, you construct any suitable radius, you construct an arc to cut AC and AB and BC. You call this point A and call this point B. With A and B as centers and radius greater than half AB, you construct an arc this way and this way. Call that point C, small letter c. You now join capital B and small c. That gives you the bisector of angle B. Okay, it didn't intersect, but let's just assume this is it. Next is for us to bisect BC. And how do we bisect BC? With B and C as centers and radius greater than BC. Since BC is 9 centimeters, so my radius is going to be something greater than 4.5 centimeters. So I should have something like this. So with B as center, you construct an arc above and below, which is this way and this way. With that same radius, with C as center, you do same. Construct an arc this way and this way. Now you join, call this is C, D and E. You now join E and D. Okay, so when you do that, you have something like this. Now, this is the point O we were asked to construct. And the question says we should measure OC. So I'll measure OC. And my point OC is said to be equal to 4.8 centimeters. So let me use broken lines to indicate that. And that is from our sketch, we said is point Y. So our OC, which is Y, is equal to 4.8 centimeters. So this is the required triangle you are asked to construct. Very simple, right? So just remember, always have a sketch of the problem. Thereafter, you then follow your sketch to construct your angles. That brings us to the end of today's class. Can you like my videos as you watch? While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can also use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. What I recommend, you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. See you in our next class where we shall be taking more exercises on construction of triangles.